Hey guys, so we're under this thing for the first time. Well, I had it jacked up and looked under here, but I didn't crawl under it. We were out ripping on it earlier, and I tried to grab second pretty aggressively, and the linkage came off or something happened. There was just no 1-2, so we're under here. We're gonna check that out. Figured we'd bring you along. That's first?
That's first.
Uh-oh.
That's second.
Uh-oh.
What's uh-oh?
Well, everything's moving out here.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Gonna have to take the side cover off the transmission. Dang it. I didn't want to do that. See the 1-2? That's 3-4. That's 1-2. It's just going back and forth, but it's like nothing's attached to it. You got reverse. 1-2. 3-4. 1-2 just has nothing attached. So we're gonna have to pull this cover off the side of this transmission. See what I ripped off of it. See if maybe it just popped out of the slider or something. Hopefully we can put it back together. Hopefully it's not broke. No, it's just no noise. It's just moving. Like it doesn't have any resistance or anything.
What had happened was
It's got the cover off, and it looks like the roll pin that goes through the shift mechanism. There's a shaft that goes through the side. So this shaft is just snapped off.
not good.
Nah, that makes it kind of hard for it to move that if this is snapped off factory. But so I'll have to get another one of those.
On the floor.
Really a bummer, but
Right where I see it.
whatever. Well, if you wouldn't have covered it up, it would have been a lot easier.
I'm going home.
Hey guys, Chevy here again. It was a Friday morning. Got to get the car ready for Pete's tonight. I know you've seen this last night, and what I wanted to show you is I got another shift rod. You saw this one last night. This snapped off, so I went and got another. Yeah, I can't remember the name for it. But anyways, that's all one piece again, so we can put the shift assembly back in. Got her all gooed up with some silicone. Cleaned off real good. Take this shift fork and I'll clean it, and then we'll put it back in the transmission and put this thing on there. We'll be ready to go. So see you in a minute. Well, sometimes you're an idiot. Square peg doesn't fit a round hole, bud. Get out of there. Get out of your linkage. You're killing me. It helps if you have the piece right side up when you go to put it on. Just a heads up. Hey guys, well, you were down there with me. You saw how much room there was to put oil in the transmission, and I don't really have time or patience for that, so I just drilled a hole in the floor. Actually 2, but anyways, I'm just going to stick this hose through there, get it lined up with that hole. I'll get it in that hole and then pump her in there. Oh yeah. Well guys, that's it for this project right now. I'm gonna get it buttoned up and clean up and head home. Well, let me tell you guys, it's about 1,000 times windier in here without a hood. Still pretty cool though. That I can put it back here. There we go. Well, we're gonna go cruise around, make some laps. I think we're done at Pete's for the night. Jimmy's gonna go with us.